Hello, good afternoon guys. I will be preparing my all the requirements for the visa. Hindi ko pa siya na-send. We were gonna send it yesterday, but then again close yung ano, diba? So, yeah, I will just make sure na in order siya para mas madali. So, nandito yung lista. Again, ano siya, sa melbourne.au.embassy. And babe, it's free.
What's free?
The visa.
Is it?
It's free, yeah, for me. I called them today. I have a few questions about the requirements. And then I asked for the payment. So I told her, how much is it? And she's like, what's your nationality? Filipino. And she said, oh, it's free. It's like, cool!
I'm going to feel sorry for you guys.
What?
Okay, that's good.
What did you say?
And that's good.
You insulted us.
I didn't want to insult.
You just insulted Filipinos. I didn't know what it was. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare it, guys. They need my passport, so yes, I will post my passport together with all the requirements. And then my valid Australian visa, so I have it right here. That's 2 pages. And then visa application form. Wait, I'm not gonna vlog. I need to concentrate on this. Heading to the city with this guy. Say hi to the vlog. That's it. He has one meeting, so punta lang ako sa city. I will wait for him, and then we'll go to the Asian grocery to get the tinola mix. My gosh, the tinola mix dough. And yeah, that's what's going on, guys. That's what's going on. Manila trading, yay! Tinola. Hello, it looks different now. I know. We're done. I met
Is that the life?
Linshade?
I put Linshade?
Linshade? I forgot. Sorry. Nag-hi siya sa akin sa Manila Trading. Sandali lang kami dun. I just got the tinola mix, sky flakes, tapos spaghetti sauce para sa Filipino spaghetti. Then yeah. Linshade? I forgot, sorry. Linshade? Hi! This is what we got from Manila Trading. We're heading home, by the way. But yeah, I got 5 of this, you guys, because we were looking for this yesterday and we couldn't find it. Now we found it in Manila Trading. $1.50 each. So we got 5. One of this menudo afritada mix, and then this. I'm excited. Ube halaya. Yummers. And then yung ribisco at saka yung Del Monte. Guys, I got this package today. Gusto ko siya i-open kanina, kaya lang sabi ko, paalis na ako eh. Sabi ko, mamaya na lang pag uwi namin. So that meron pang tawag. Gusto ko hintayin siya. Kasi, I think para sa amin dalawa to. Galing to kay Emmalou. Meron siyang tawag. Galing siya kay Emmalou. Sorry. Galing siya kay Emmalou Ikeda. Thank you so much, sis. As in, thank you. We will open this package after ng tawag niya. Na-open ko na siya, like, ready ko na siya i-open talaga. Pero, wag muna. Hintayin ko muna sa daan. I'm so excited. I can't hide. I kind of opened it, but I didn't really see what's in it. Tagal ng call mo, babe. Your call lasted like forever.
Yeah, it was what?
Yeah, okay.
Who is this from?
Emmalou! Thank you! From Japan. Do you want to sit, babe? So we can actually see.
The camera.
The camera. My puzzle. Did you ruin my camera? What did you do?
Nothing.
Ready?
Oh!
Oh my gosh, food! Good! That's my favorite. Kit Kat, thank you!
What's it? Seems like you hate cheese. Here's your favorite.
Oh my gosh, yeah! She watches my videos. Wait. She gave me 4 packets of green tea Kit Kat. Thank you!
Thank you. Where is she from in Japan?
She's from, she said she's far.
I had a look, but I couldn't, didn't look familiar.
2G?
Not
I
sure
have
what
no
that is.
idea.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you. What's that?
What
What
flavor?
is it?
I got no idea.
I have no idea either.
Maybe it's honey.
Honey?
That looks like honey.
That looks coffee to me, babe. Honey?
Nah.
Ask them. What is this, guys? Coffee? Wow, nice camera. Nice.
Cool.
Thank you!
I love Kit Kats. I do. These are good.
You don't like green tea though. You
Not
don't
green
like the
tea, but I like these. These are cool.
That one looks good, babe. I think you will like that.
I
It's
like
white.
this. Yeah.
What is it? Do you know?
And
So yeah, the white and the original Kit Kat together forever.
wow.
There's a lot of Kit Kats. That one,
How
chocolate.
cool is this?
There's more chocolates, guys. That one looks like. Oh, let's try, babe. Do you want to eat right now?
We can have a taste.
See. Well, we know what green tea tastes like.
Ooh.
What is it?
Don't know.
Let's taste this because we do not know what it is. Hello.
What's that, babe?
I'm not sure. What is it? Nice packaging.
Ooh.
We didn't buy snacks at Miller Trading because I know there's gonna be food here. Plus, I got a package from Munchpack, so that's why we didn't buy snacks there. Let's try this
Face
one.
mask.
babe. Oh, is it?
Nice.
Thank you.
Which one is it?
The coffee honey one.
Oh, okay. We'll share one.
We'll share.
We'll share.
This one. Oh, it's black.
Yeah. It's up brown.
Brown, sorry. What is it? It's dark, babe.
It's not honey.
It's cocoa. Chocolate is cocoa.
Yours is just normal tea flavour.
Normal tea. What does normal tea taste like? I don't drink tea.
Normal tea. It's good though. I like it.
Not really.
You
I don't.
like it?
No, not really.
I do. I'll eat it. Thank you.
You can take that one.
I'll eat it.
So this one.
Ooh. I thought that
There's
one.
two.
Oh, we'll share. We'll just do one.
Let's share that, yeah.
We'll share.
I think this is just a regular Kit Kat.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's bitter, that one.
White chocolate. Focus.
Do it like this, like a beauty guru do.
Mmm.
Good job, babe.
Mmm.
One.
I like it.
Yum. I like this as well.
Mm.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That one. And that. Bourbon.
What is,
Oh, this is really good.
No, we'll share one of these.
Sige. Oh my god, we have a lot of food, babe.
We have so much food.
We have so much food. And guys, we don't really buy chocolates because I don't eat chocolates and he's trying to not eat chocolates as well. But it's his favorite. Pero like parang banned yung chocolate sa bahay namin. Not really, but we don't buy chocolates.
This is good as well. I like it.
Is it? Very flaky.
Yeah. Different. I like it.
I like it as well. Oh gosh, it's good. This one. Here, babe, let's open it. Oh, there's a lot. Different colors. Hindi ko mabasa. So
Yeah.
there's blue.
I'll go blue.
I'll go this, lavender or pink. Oh my god, we have a lot of food.
Mmm. Smells good.
Does it?
Yep.
It's chocolate. I don't think I will like it. Like it's pure chocolate. Oh look, yours is different.
What's good? It's chocolate.
There's a filling.
Mmm. Well, that's strong. I like that. Right.
Eat it. It's alright. Not bad actually.
Strawberry.
Yeah, I've tried that. I think I have.
Mmm.
Oh my gosh, Kit Kat overload. And she gave me a mask. Thank you. Thank you po. And then,
What's this?
hello, there's.
Blend stick.
Oh look, coffee,
Blendy
babe.
stick. Coffee?
I think.
Yeah, I reckon it's coffee as well. Yeah,
Look,
coffee.
it's coffee. Yay.
I reckon it's 3 in 1. That's what it stands for.
3 in 1?
30
30 packs.
30 packs.
30 packets. Cool.
That's cool.
Salamat.
We like coffee.
Yeah, I love coffee.
Coffee's good.
That one. Cuatro.
Have you heard of this before?
No, I haven't. I think you have. There's a Cuatro chocolate in the Philippines that you've tried before when you were looking for cheap chocolates in the Philippines. Not this specific one, obviously.
Nah, this looks
But
good.
you've tried something Cuatro, babe. Let's
Yeah.
open it. Let's try it.
No, we got so much.
No,
More.
so we know. Okay. What is this?
Ooh.
It's a gift. Hala, it's a bag. I think it's a bag. Hello, she packed it nicely. I like this bag.
Ooh.
Hello.
How nice is that?
Oh, look at it. Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah.
I like the color. Wow.
That's cool.
Cute.
It's a nice bag.
What is that? Open
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
What is it? Hello, shoes?
Ooh!
Oh, yes! The book!
Thank
yeah,
you.
she told me she will send us a book.
I like that. We'll bring it with us.
Yeah, we will. Oh, thank you. That's nice. Read something. Mistreating loved ones? Sheesh, babe.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That look good. I like the
I
colour.
do. I like the color as well. Will it fit me?
Yeah, that'll fit.
It's 5. Yeah, it will fit me.
It'll fit.
Hello, that's so cute. I don't have any shoes this color.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat. Crunchy! I've tried it before. A shop sent me this, and then this is so good, babe. Try.
No.
No, just try one.
No.
Not just believe me, babe. Hello, I ruined it.
What's the girl's name again?
Emmalou.
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 Thank you. This one, babe.
Emmalou from Japan.
Sige ha.
Is she Filipino living there?
Yeah.
She lived there all her life, you know, or?
I don't think so.
Okay.
She married someone from there, I think.
Ah.
I'm not sure. Sige, open.
I'm only gonna have a little bit.
No, get all of it and then I'll eat some. See? It's really good, right? It's green tea.
It's okay. I'm not a big green tea. You can have that. I'm not a big green
This is
person.
mine.
That's yours.
It's good, babe.
Mm.
Oh my gosh, you have a lot of chocolates. There's a lot in here that I will not eat. That's not my favorite, so it's gonna be all yours.
Yeah, done.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
We've got so much food.
Yeah. It's alright. You don't
That's
have
good.
to eat it tonight. All of it, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't eat it tonight.
I won't eat it tonight. Cool. Alright. I'm out
Thank
of
you.
it. Thank you.
Thank you, babe.
Cut.
Hello guys, sarap. Grabe, sarap. Pag nakita nyo ito sa Daiso or kahit nasaan, ito sobrang sarap talaga nito. Very close sa KitKat. Yummers. Ay! My God. Thank you po! Hello! Luto na yung aking rice. Hinihintay ko na lang na mainit yung tuna. Kasi magtutuna ako. Yung century tuna. Ayaw kasi na daw magluto ako. Yeah, sabi niya huwag ka na lang magluto kasi he wanted something light. Gusto niya lang daw bread. Ayoko naman mag-bread for dinner. Bread lang. Gusto ko mag-rice. So, magra-rice ako tsaka magtutuna. 1, 2, okay. Oh, it's gonna be really hot. Anyway, ready na guys. Kakain na ako. I have on my face yung Innisfree mask na shea butter. Now, I need to put it like that para ma-open yung bibig ko. Kakain ako. And guys, I have been snacking on this. The ubi halaya. Gosh, sobrang sarap. Grabe. Like, isang upuan lang, mauubos ko yan. Pero, pinipigilan ko ang aking sarili. Kasi that's $7 right there. Mahal ng ube. Magkano ba siya sa Manila? I'm pretty sure mas mura siya dyan. Pero hindi ko talaga alam kung magkano. Anyway, kain lang ako. Kain tayo. Do you want me to make you bread with peanut butter? Do you want me to toast your bread? Or, yeah? Toast it?
The bread and butter and butter on top.
Okay.
Cool.
Gotcha. You're welcome. Hello! No video tonight, guys. Because for some reason, the video that I wanted to put up tonight keeps failing. It's failing on me. We uploaded it twice already. So, I uploaded it overnight last night using Dan Slappy. And then, nung pagising namin sa umaga, nakita na Dan na failed to process daw. Like, something. Error. Nag-error siya. So, in-upload ko siya ulit. Sabi ko, may time pa naman. It will make it. In-upload ko siya ulit and it did the same thing. Nag-error siya. So, I do not know what's going on. But I don't have a video tonight. I am uploading another one right now. It will not make it. It will make it tomorrow. And try ko tong isang video na to kung okay siya. Kasi yung video na yun yung LOL na first impressions. And again, ayaw niya ma-upload. So try ko tong isa. Tingnan natin kung magpa-process siya. And guys, I have been eating this ube. Tingnan niyo, malapit na ako mag-half. My gosh. I need to stop. Kasi ang dami ko pang snacks, guys. Excited na ako try yung munch pack. I'm watching this movie. Not really watching, but Dan turned on the TV. Ano siya? Jennifer Lopez yung nandyan. Di ko alam kung title nito. Anyway, yung munch pack. I got a package from munch pack. Asan ba yung remote? Maraming snacks dun, guys. Maraming mga chips. Alam niyo naman ako, gusto ko yung chips. Gusto ko na siya i-try. But then, didn't want to film it today. We will film it on the weekend and we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I will close the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Si Dan pala tumakbo, so hindi siya makaka-good night. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Good night.